Hindi ako naman nairita, diba?
No. If I decide to.
No,
Parang,
diba sinabi ko na sa'yo?
yeah,
Think about. Pero,
kasi natatakot ako
na?
na, oo, paparaning na ako. Bigla.
Why?
Knowing that,
Knowing that what?
kasi diba, although before, I'd get this feeling na whenever I'm nominated, I'd get this feeling that I'm the one who's leaving. Still, iba yung feeling. Now I know na no matter what, the end is near. No, and yun nga, feeling ko din pagpasok ko ng ganyan, mas lalo akong natakot sa labas.
What?
Na kaya ako curious na parang gusto ko na parang gano'n.
Why?
What?
I'm curious.
But at the same time, natakot din ako dito.
Why?
Bigla.
Why? What's the worst thing
I
that
don't
can
know,
happen here? Honestly. What's the worst thing that can happen here in Japan?
I don't know, but
So what?
a lot of things. Ano ba?
That's the worst thing that can happen here now.
Madami.
What?
Hindi ko alam.
Madami, hindi ko alam.
I don't know. My mom. Wala, hindi ko alam kung ano na
See?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ka ba kontento?
I know, you know what? I was thinking about it last night. I know it's
Alam.
What?
Alam.
What?
Alam.
No.
Oh.
It's the most stupid thing.
You could do. So do you want to do that?
No, and diba, lagi nila sinasabi. Because my mom, everyone at home, parang the way they talk, it was as if they knew I'd be the first.
No.
Or I wouldn't last
It's all
a month.
That's all mindset.
Diba? But
okay, go ahead.
I really do feel that it's my mom na it's my mom who finds a way for me to stay.
No.
Diba everyone says na 4 rounds.
No.
Four times.
Yeah, and so?
What? Regardless.
Okay.
But regardless. Parang tinapong ko lang yun.
No, wait. I'm just
4
going
na
to
yun.
say. Yun umpisa sa mga sinabi mo, diba? You got affected about it. The reason why you set your mind wrong then, because you got influential ka sa sinabi, because as well dati, super mabilis ka ma-influential, you get insecure. Because what people say that mattered a lot to you. Kasi yung self-esteem mo was, So that's why you think maybe like that. And about the 4 rounds, it's just show you got 4 times nominated. Diba? 4 rounds. Nandito ka pa. And you stay, diba? It shows you're strong outside.
No.
Why keeping it in? Why? What's the
My
reason?
mom.
Your mom sinasabi nga you should go out. Diba? So why keeping you in? Honestly,
No,
think
she
about
was
it. Why keeping you in? Honestly, why?
I think she got scared.
But why? For what? Honestly, for what?
Wala lang.
See?
No, baka nahihiya siya.
Nahihiya siya. Kung nahihiya siya, hindi siya pumunta dito.
Saan?
Madison.
No, nahihiya siya na masipa
No,
ako.
sir.
Siya gumagawa siya.
No.
No, I have a feeling it.
No.
No, I
Do
can
you
imagine.
really think your mom is that strong in the whole Philippines? And
No,
outside
ay hindi ko sinabing yung mom
I
ko.
think you know what's nice, what would be good is if you
You know
would
why?
why?
I've never, I think it helps. It helped that I was never put in a position na dalawa lang kami. So, yung na-divide na hati yung mga tao.
Yeah, but even though, why the others and not you? Know what I mean? Why one of the others had to go and not you? For? See, kahit anong theory mo sinasabi mo, that's crap. What you're saying. Honestly. It's crap. Kahit paano mo isa, you can't say. Sinasabi ko lang just the fact that how many people are watching, how many people are voting. Her mom is not even a tenth of it. It sounds now harsh, not even a tenth of it, of the percentage that they vote. Just think about that. What can she affect, for example, yung mga all over the world, diba yung mga TFC super, what can she affect?
No, we have relatives.
Oh,
North
ang dami.
America.
Ilan? 1 million?
No?
100? 50?
But
wait,
regard,
50.
no, I'm tired.
50 ba? 40?
Hindi, I'm
30.
scared na
30?
Shut up.
20?
Shut up,
Less than
Ricky.
20?
Stop it! See, yun yung mga ganun.
Okay lang.
I'm scared na ma-irrit ka sa akin. Si
No.
Big Brother.
Okay.
Bigla siya magpakita at some
As kuya, naiirita ba kayo sa akin?